Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, first or last, equal to x. This program accepts a list of integers and an integer x as input, aiming to determine if either the first integer in the list matches x or if the last integer in the list matches x. Initially they have included the necessary standard libraries for input, output and memory allocation. The program uses the main function as its entry point. Int arr, 10,001, j equals 0, an integer array arr is declared to store up to 10,001 integers, and j is initialized to 0 to keep track of the array index. While loop reads integers from the input until there are no more integers left, storing them in the array arr and incrementing j to move to the next index. Int l equals arr, j-1, the variable l is assigned the value of the last element in the array. If conditional statement checks if the first element of the array matches L, the last element, or if the second to last element matches L. If either condition is true, it prints yes, otherwise, it prints no. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.